Are you struggling with cravings, stubborn body fat, or just a scale that won't budge? Many people turn to Garcinia Cambogia after hearing it is a miracle fruit for weight loss. But here's the catch: if you don't understand how it really works, you could waste your time, you could even waste your money, and even put your health at risk. So stay tuned, because in this video, I'll break down what Garcinia Cambogia actually is, what the science says about it, the potential risks, and how to use it wisely so you don't miss out on the results others are already seeing. Welcome back to the Holistic Mom. Here we explore natural remedies, herbal wellness, and supplements that can support you to have a healthier lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to focus on the supplement that's been both hyped and questioned: Garcinia Cambogia. It promotes weight support and appetite control, but is it a fact or just another marketing trend? Now, let's uncover the truth together. First of all, what is Garcinia Cambogia? It is a small pumpkin-shaped fruit. It's native to Southeast Asia and India, and the locals have traditionally used it and use the peel specifically in cooking for its sour, wonderful flavor. And the peel contains HCA, which is a compound that made Garcinia famous in the supplementary industry. Also, HCA is believed to influence metabolism as well as appetite, so it's not new. It's been around in traditional diets for centuries. The difference is now companies extract the peel, concentrate it into capsules, and market it as a fast-track solution for weight control. So how is it supposed to work? It works in three ways. Number one, it works in appetite suppression. HCA may increase serotonin levels in the brain, and higher serotonin can improve mood and reduce emotional eating. And also, this means fewer late night binges or sugar cravings. Also, it works as a fat storage blocking, because the HCA may inhibit citrate lyase, which is an enzyme that your body uses to make fat from excess carbs. So instead of storing calories, your body may burn them for energy. And also, lastly, it works as an energy balance, because the users often report anecdotal benefits in terms of that their energy has become more steady, and they also experience less fatigue when cutting calories. So it sounds great, doesn't it? But here's the twist: science has a different story. So here's what science really says. Now, in terms of the positive findings, there are a few small studies that show participants lost an average of 1 to 2 extra kilograms compared to the placebo groups over 8 to 12 weeks. I'll link these studies in the description box below. There's also some mixed results, and there are larger studies that often show no difference or little difference in weight loss compared to people just dieting or exercising. So the key insight here is that Garcinia is not a magic pill. At best, it gives a mild boost, and it needs to be used as part of a holistic lifestyle in terms of losing weight. So in fact, many researchers say the psychological effect is more apparent. So believing that you're taking something powerful, this may also play a big role as a supplement in itself. So with that being said, let's talk about some side effects and some safety tips that you need to bear in mind. So it's generally safe for most healthy adults in moderate doses. And as a potential side effect, you can notice digestive upset. Some people have nausea, and some people also have headache. Now, there are some rare but serious side effects, unfortunately, that are being reported. Some have reported liver issues in people taking high doses or poor quality brands. Now, in terms of the interactions, it has been known to affect blood sugar, so it's really important for people with diabetes to consult their doctor first and find out the appropriate dose for Garcinia. And it can also interact with antidepressants because of the serotonin effects. So this is why I always say nature doesn't automatically mean safe for everyone. Always check with your doctor before starting, especially if you are using any medication or if you have any chronic health conditions. So how can you use it wisely? First of all, I need you to follow the label. For example, this Wagner Ultra Strength provides 416.67 milligrams of extract per capsule, so stick to the recommended serving size. Also, consistency matters because the results, if there are any results for you, show up after weeks of consistent use. You won't notice them on day 2 or 3. I want you to also pair it with a lifestyle because Garcinia alone will not change your body, unfortunately. I want you to pair it with mindful eating, exercise, and good sleep. And also, it's important to cycle it because some people use it for 8 to 12 weeks, then take a break. So track your progress, write down your energy, your cravings, your weekly weight changes, so you can also see if it's making a difference for you. I've seen Garcinia Cambogia help some people, mostly in terms of reducing their appetite and emotional eating, and that small shift often makes it so easy for people to stick to a healthy routine. But here's the truth: if you're hoping to drop kilos overnight, you will be disappointed, unfortunately, because Garcinia is not magic. Think of it as a helper, not as a replacement for good habits. So does Garcinia Cambogia work? The truth is, it may help reduce cravings and give you a slight edge, but it won't transform your body on its own. If you've already been on a healthy lifestyle path, it might support your progress, but if you rely on it as a shortcut, you'll likely be frustrated. So let me know, have you tried Garcinia Cambogia or any other weight loss supplement? Drop your experiences in the comment section below. Let's compare notes, and also don't miss out on my new video, natural herbs that heal your gut, because gut health is often the missing piece in weight management. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.